Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Marma points. We have Marma points all over our body, and if you've heard of acupressure, it's a bit like that. So acupressure comes from the traditional Chinese medicine. Marma points are from the Ayurvedic health wisdom, and although they are obviously very separate, there are many overlaps. So Marma points tend to be parts of the body where there are joints, tendons meeting up. It could be bones, joints, veins, flesh, anywhere where there's a meeting point, there tends to be a Marma point. And all of these areas can be used to be pressed on to help relieve tension. They're very good for relieving pain as well, and they're all over your body. But I thought today I would share with you a facial massage. So you need some oil. A good general oil, assuming you've not got a nut allergy, is almond oil. But I have got here some facial serum. I just put it on, but I just realised I'll show you what I put on my face. So you would just put some oil on your face. It could be olive oil if you haven't got any other oil to hand. But if you use a particular facial serum, you could use that. So we're going to start in the middle of the chin. And pressing on here, you could do a light circular motion. And this is very good for the circulation of the face and also for helping with inner feelings. So just pressing in there and then letting go. So we're going to halfway up the side of the nose, so kind of just where the end of the bone is for the nose, if you can feel that as you go down the nose, just there. So pressing into there, and it's very good for relieving sinus pressure to help clear the sinuses and brighten the eyes, because obviously it's very close by. Just doing soft pressing there. This is a brilliant one to do if you've got a cold and that kind of congested feeling. And then we'll move up to the inner corner of the eye, so just where the eyebrows are, the inside edge of the eyebrows, the base, and you can press through there, and we're pressing away from the eyes, pressing just gently, firm but gentle pressure, and try and breathe here. If you've got nice oils, essential oils in your serum or the oil that you're using, you can really breathe those in. And then release there. So that helps to brighten the eyes a little bit. We're going to move to the outside edge of the eyes, and we're going to press away from the eyes to kind of lift away and up and hold there. Just breathe there for a moment. And then we'll release that. And then we're going to move down to the neck. So you need to measure this one. It's 4 fingers width from the base of the earlobes to find the position on the neck. This is very good for circulation to stimulate the lymph. So press into here. This is another good one actually. I like this one because if you've forgotten to put serum and oil on your neck, it reminds you to do that, as well as all those other good benefits. And then we'll move up to just below the ear, the base of the ear, where the ear meets the jawline. So I'll use a middle finger there. I don't think it really matters as long as you're being quite gentle around the eyes. So we're pressing here where the bottom of the ears meets the jaw. So it's very good for relieving jaw tension, also for relieving anxiety. Often if you grind your jaw, it's because of anxiety and stress. But it's also good for ear congestion, so go for those. And then we'll release that. So hopefully your face is feeling beautifully pampered now, and you can enjoy using your serum. Just make it a little bit more special. I wouldn't remember to do this every night, you could, if you're very good like that. But even if you just did it every now and again, it's a really good way of just adding a little bit of yoga off the mat into your daily or weekly or self-care routine. So thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Namaste.